61 states, 8% of what number is 16? So let's look at this first. We have is, right? Is telling us there's going to be an equal sign, okay? So I'm going to put an equal sign here, right? Is, and we have what should be to the right of that equal sign, and that's the number 16, okay? And we know we have 8% of a number. And if we're talking about percentages, normally when you try to find a percentage of a number, you multiply that number. So our number is going to, our variable, since it's unknown, we're going to put the number is x. We're not sure what the number is. So we have x on this side, and it's 8% of x will give us 16. So 8% multiplied by a variable equals 16. And we're going to change this from a percentage to a decimal. 8 written as a 8 changed from a percentage. You could write the number 8. Going from a percentage to a decimal, we're going to move it 2 places to the left. 1, then 2. Okay? 0.08 is 8% as a decimal. So 8% of x, 8% of what number is 16? This is how you write the equation. Now we want to solve for what x is. So we're going to divide both sides by 0.08, okay? And we're doing this so that we can isolate the x or the variable x by itself. Okay, the next section, what we're going to do is we're just going to divide off to the side. 16 divided by 0.08. You always want to remember the number that we're dividing by, 0.08. We want to change this to a whole number in order to divide, okay? So 16 is already a whole number. We want to make sure the number that's being divided by, we want to make sure that our divisor is a whole number. So we're going to move this 2 places to the right. 1, 2, that's a whole number. Instead of it being 0.08, it's now just 8. You can get rid of the 0 in front of it. And since we moved 2 places to the right, we have to move 2 places to the right here as well as the number that's being divided by. So then we're going to do 1, 2 places over. So now this becomes, instead of 16, we're going to use 1600, okay? 8 goes into 16 2 times. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. And since we only have zeros here, all we simply have to do is fill in zeros at the top, okay? Our final answer for x equals 200. The answer is 8% of what number is 16? 8% of 200 is 16.